Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. I'm real excited to show this product. This is revolutionary to the industry. It's by Pride Mobility. It's called the Jazzy Carbon HD. And the reason I'm excited about it is this is a carbon fiber frame. Now, most carbon fiber frames for folding electric wheelchairs can support up to around 300 pounds. This chair can support up to 400 pounds. And once you remove the battery, it weighs just 32.5 pounds. So there's nothing like it in the industry. So in this video, we're gonna do an unboxing of this chair just to show you more of what to expect if you receive this. So you see there's two straps here. I'm just gonna cut these off. So we've got your manual and a lot of these folding electric wheelchairs, so I can pull it up. But the easiest thing to do, and what we usually recommend, is just put it on its side and just pull it out this way. So it looks like we've got everything here. Just checking the box, make sure there's nothing else in here. I think this is probably your charger. Yeah, so that's the charger. On this side, we've got the joystick, which is in this box. So nothing else is in the box. So we're gonna pause the video. I'm gonna come back, take off all the packaging, and we'll continue with assembling. All right, so now we got all the packaging off of the chair, and I just wanna show you what's in this box. So this is what the joystick was in. So we got your joystick, we got a seat belt, and it comes with a cup holder. So one armrest you put the joystick, the other armrest you can put a cup holder, and that comes standard. You also get a cushion that comes standard with it. So a couple things when you unfold it, there is a locking mechanism right here. So I can't, actually it's not locked there, let's see. There, so now it's locked. So I can't just unfold it. I have to pull this, and now you can unfold the chair. So you don't see that usually on most folding electric wheelchairs, having a locking mechanism to keep it folded. So no assembly, as you can see. Really it's just putting on the cushion and joystick, seat belt. Actually, here's a seat belt, so I guess this is just an additional. Yeah, I think this is a seatbelt extender. Yeah, if you needed that. So you see the Velcro on the back, on the bottom of the cushion. I'm just going to line that up. I think it's probably going to be this way. And then as far as the joystick, you can easily put it on the left side or the right side. We're going to put it on the left side. Lock that into place. This is an upgraded joystick from what they had previously, so it's a digital display. I think it needs to be connected, so I'm going to fold it. Pull this latch here. I'm going to fold this to fold it back up so I can access this. Yeah, so here's a power connection. And I believe we're going to connect it to here. There's a little red cap. So this is going to come unconnected or not connected at first. There we go. So it took me a minute to get this lined up, but that's how you connect this initially when you receive it. Now, you probably don't really need to disconnect that. I don't see a reason why you'd need to when you travel, but when you first receive it, this will be disconnected. So now, if I unfold this, should turn on. There we go. Oh, like that. So you can see here it says error, and it shows you exactly what's going on. It says right brake malfunction, which means that it was in freewheel mode. So I pushed both of the levers on both motors forward to put it into drive. Now the error message is gone. the chair now works. So we'll go over the joystick here in a second. I just want to attach the cup holder. And I believe a lot of the Pride chairs, these folding electric wheelchairs, come with a built-in cup holder, whereas previously they did not. So for example, the Pride Jazzy Ultralight, that one has a cup holder that's built in like this. So nice that they have that. So you can see how easy it was to assemble. All right, so let's get some real-time measurements of this. So width of the seat, we're at 20 inches, actually slightly over 20, almost 20 and a quarter. Distance between the armrests, almost 22 inches. Another measurement is down here. This is maybe where your hips would hit. It actually is even deeper, so it's about 23 and a half inches. So definitely a wide seat, 20 inches in depth. Also has a big footplate, which is also big. Well, also larger than what you would normally get on a chair like this. So about 17 and a half almost in width, and 6 inches. 6 inches in length, 17 and a half in width. Now distance from ground to the top of the seat, looking at about 20 and a half inches. So we'll start with the joystick, which I think is really cool. So I want to show that. This is my first time seeing this joystick. This is brand new. None of the other chairs have this. So we got speed control, goes up to gear 5. Now the top speed on this is 3.7 miles per hour. And the battery range is a little over 12 miles on a single charge. So you got a horn button. We got a headlight. Yeah, so you can see how bright it is. Actually, flip it up so you can see what it looks like here. Now, this is where you can charge the battery. You can charge it directly on the joystick. That's pretty normal on most of these chairs. You can also charge it directly on the battery. You also have a USB-C charging port. A lot of these smartphones now have USB-C ports. And you also got your speed, miles per hour. It also has an odometer and of course your battery gauge. So really nice.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
Now, armrests also do flip up. They don't go all the way back, so it does stick out a little bit for transfers. So I think that's something to keep in mind. Comes out about 4 inches. Sometimes you'll see chairs that come back, the armrests come back even further. So this bar will get out of the way, but it looks like that's as far as it'll come back. Now you'll see on the front, we got a front suspension. So you got a spring suspension, flat free tires, front and back. Front tires, looks like they are about 7 inches. And then on the back, it's about 10 and a half, 11 inches. Now back to the footplate, one other thing. Obviously it does flip up, but it is adjustable. So you can see there's three holes. Right now it's at the last hole, which would be for someone that would be tall, but you can, if you're a shorter rider, you can adjust it up on to the hole that's lowest to the ground. Battery is located right here, which is nice, easy to access. And as I said, you can charge it directly on the battery as well, so you don't have to bring the whole chair inside your home. You can test the battery life by just pressing that button. You can see it's almost fully charged. Typically, when you get a folding electric wheelchair or mobility scooter from any brand, they're usually not going to be fully charged, probably about 70-75% charged. So in order to put it back on here, you just line it up on these tracks. Now it's back on there. So on the back, we got a little bit of storage here. Not much. This looks like this is the only storage you're going to get on this chair. But I do like that you have these straps. So if you want to make this more firm or more loose, you can adjust these straps to get to a comfortable position on your back. Sometimes you'll see it under the seat as well, but it is not adjustable on the firmness of the seat. There's also some 2 DuraShock suspension springs on the back, so you have that as well. And as we said before, these are your 2 250 watt motors. These are more compact motors too than what you typically would see. So 500 watts of power between both. Now if I press both of these down, it puts it in the freewheel mode. So now you can use it as a walker if you wanted to do that. Get up and stretch your legs a little bit, no problem. Or if you ran out of battery life and you just wanted to push it to your destination to charge, that's how you do it. Just keep in mind it's not going to work when it's in freewheel. You have to put these back up into the drive position, which locks the electromagnetic brakes. So when I turn this on, if I want to go forward and let go, the brakes engage. Let's get a couple other measurements. So the total width of the chair looks like it would be probably at the armrests. So if I did outside of armrest to outside of armrest, it's almost 26 inches. Outside of the back wheel, just under 26. So the widest point is going to be outside of armrest to outside of armrest. Now, small feature that I like on this is to remove the joystick. You can just disconnect here and pull this out. So when you're flying with this, because it's airline approved, that's how I would definitely recommend removing the joystick, especially because it's so easy, and they're also going to require you to remove the battery, which I just showed you how to do. So let's put this back in here and we'll reconnect. There we go. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email, so then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. I guess the length, let's get the length. A lot of people want to know that. So total length. And then we'll go all the way to the foot plate. It's about 37 inches. If I flip it up, the longest point is going to be right here in this front wheel, about 30.5 inches. Actually, let me sit in it just to show you a reference point of what I look like in this. So I am 6'4", 235 pounds, obviously under the weight capacity. I have plenty of space on both sides. I have 2 to 3 inches on both sides. And side profile, so I feel like this is fine at my height. I feel comfortable in this. It's also super quiet. The motors, you can barely hear them. I can definitely envision you walking behind somebody and they're not going to hear you, so you have to let people know that you are coming. Now, let's show you how to fold this. So I want to power it off for right now. And on the back, we've got this latch here. So that will allow you to fold it. Once I pull that up, now you can fold it 2 ways. I think it's better to fold it like this in the upward position. And you hear that click because this now is locked into place. So for example, if I press it again, now it's completely locked in place. So I won't be able to unfold it unless I unlatch this. I also like that the battery is located right here. So when you're traveling with this, airline approved, you don't want to bend down, you can fold it like that. And then you can remove the battery because you have to bring this on as a carry-on. And then of course, detach the joystick like I showed you. We'll just do it real quick. Super easy. So this is what I would bring on with me and then give this to the airline. Wow. So yeah, that's 32.5 pounds. Super, super light. Most other folding electric wheelchairs in the industry do weigh probably 50 pounds, 55 pounds. So this one is significantly less. And even if I put the battery back in, the battery weighs about 7.5 pounds. So even with the battery and the joystick, it's still under 40 pounds. So it's still going to be one of the lightest folding electric wheelchairs in the industry, even with the other competition that has chairs that can support the same weight. So let me unfold it. So that's one way you can do it. The other thing is I can fold it just flat on the ground, just like this. Actually, I need to move this out of the way and then wait for it to hear that click. So there, you heard it click. I think it's better to fold it upright because when you fold it that way, you have a better chance of damaging just the carbon fiber, or not damaging, but you could scratch it up. I will say one thing that's definitely different is that I've seen on folding electric wheelchairs that are carbon fiber. This is more of like a grippy material. So I feel like this is less prone to scratch. And same thing down here. So if you fold it on the ground, you can see it's kind of like just like a grippy material. So I don't think this is going to scratch very easily. So it's probably designed that way. Pride's really good about thinking things through like that. I'll show you one other thing you can upgrade to. So you can also upgrade to a Stealth Simplicity cushion, which a lot of people do. It's just more comfortable. This does have some padding, but in comparison, you can see the thickness of the two. So you got more padding with this upgraded Stealth cushion. So if I put this one on, it looks like the Velcro is not going to line up because it would be like this side. This is the side that you would want to where your legs to go over. But I think it's fine. Now, if I sit on this one, yeah, I think this one's definitely worth upgrading to if that's something that's important to you. I do think the standard cushion works fine, but if you know, having a comfortable cushion is important to you, I think it's worth the investment to get that. So Pride Mobility is arguably the best brand in the industry. They have world-class support. They're definitely the biggest brand in the US, but probably the biggest brand in the entire world. And their warranty is fantastic, and it does include a 1-year in-home service contract. So if anything goes wrong in the first year of owning any Pride Mobility product, there will be some initial troubleshooting over the phone. With us, a lot of times we can troubleshoot and fix certain things over the phone, but if it can't be resolved that way, Pride Mobility will send a technician to your home to fix that issue for the first year, so you have that additional peace of mind. But yeah, this is the Pride Jazzy Carbon HD. It's a pretty incredible piece of technology, really revolutionary to the industry. And if you have questions about this chair, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. You can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day.